Good morning, students. There is a new topic of 7th standard, that is a set concept. Now we will discuss about a set concept. Okay, what is a set? Set is a well-defined collection of an object. Set is a well-defined collection of an object. For example, the students in a class is the set. Is a set. Let we take a class 7th standard, and all the student in class 7th, that is the set. Okay, all players in cricket teams is the set of players. Okay, this type collection is a set. And there is a notation of set. Notation. What is the notation of set? We denote a set by a capital letter A, and we write this in curly bracket. A set in curly bracket, let me write this A, B, C and D. Okay, this is a set A, and this is the curly, if we put all the elements in curly bracket, this is a set. Okay, this is the notation of a set. These all are member of a set. We call this element. We call this element. A, B, C, D are the element of set A. Okay, and this number of element means the member in a set can be written as any order. For example, if we write this set B, B, C, A, then there is no problem. Okay, the number of element in a set can be written as any order. Okay, we write B, D, C, A, we write C, D, B, A of and this type. These are the same. And repetition of set is not allowed. For example, if we have a set B in which element A, B, C, A, D in this type, A in this set A is 2 times, but we write this A, B, C and D. This and this equal. Because repetition of set is not allowed, we write this only one time. Okay, number in any order, all the elements are in any order, and repetition of set is not allowed. Okay, we write only one time. Next is there is a sign of belong to or not belong to. If any set, let any element of this set A is the set element of this set B, then we write A belong to B. Okay, A belong to B. This is the notation of belong. Same as it is, we write B belong to B. Same of this type, if we write D is in the set A, then we write D belong to A. This is the notation of belong. And this is the notation of not belong to. For example, there is not E, we write E not belong to set B. E not belong to set B. This is the notation of not belong to, and this is the notation of belong. Okay. Next, students, finite or infinite. We discuss about this in a next exercise. First, I take some questions from this exercise first. These are some questions from exercise 5A. Question number first. These are some parts of question number first. First is the collection of all colors in the rainbow. This is set or not. Okay. There are total 4 examples. These are the set or not. First is the collection of all colors in the rainbow. Yes, student, this is a set. Yes, this is a set. This is a set because this is a well-defined collection of set, because everyone know about the colors of the rainbow. Okay, because there is total 7 colors in the rainbow, and everyone know about this particular color. This is the well-defined collection. So this is a set. Next is all the honest member in the family. This is not a set, because this is not well-defined collection, not a set. Okay, because this is not well-defined collection, I think this person is honest, and other person thinks this person is honest. So this is not well-defined collection. So this is not a set. Next is part number 5. The group of tall boys of the school. Group of tall boys. This is also not a set. Not a set. Because this is also not defined collection. There is no criteria. We take this students till this height of this type. Okay, this is not a set. Next is part number 7. The group of all hard-working teachers in a school. The group of all hard-working teachers in a school. This is also not a set because this is not well defined and collection. I don't say particular say about any teachers about their hard working. Okay, this is not well defined collection because one person think this is a teacher honest and other person think this is a teacher honest. Okay, next is question number 2. Set A in which A, B, C, D, E, F. These are the element of set A. We fill there is some parts of this and fill belong to and not belong to. Okay, first is D. We put here belong to or not belong to. Student, D is the member of set A. D is the element of set A. So D belong to set A. Okay. For next M. There is not any element M. So M not belong to in set A. Same A is the member of set A, then A is belong to A. Next X. X is not the member of this set, so we write X not belong to A. Okay. Next is question number 3. Set A 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. These are the element of in set A. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. These are element of set B. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. These are the element of set A and C. So we fill this blanks. First is 1 belong to C. 1, there is not any element 1. So 1 not belong to in a set A C. 3 A. There is element 3 in set A. So 3 belong to set A. 3 belong to set A. 5 in B. There is not any element 5 in B. So 5 not belong to B. Next is fourth part 9. Set A. 9 in the set A. So 9 belong to set A. Okay. Next part 6 and B. In the B set there is a member. 6 is the member of set B. So 6 belong to okay. Next goes to next question of this exercise. Next question number 4. Set A and set B, and these are some parts. These are true or false. So in set A 1, 2, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are the element of set A. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. These are the element of set B. In first part 1 belong to B. This is true or false. 1 belong to B. In set B there is no element 1. So this is false. This is false. This 1 belong to B, but there is not 1. So this is false. Next is 5 belong to A. In set A there is 5. So this is true. Okay. Next 9 not belong to A. 9, but 9 is the element of A. 9 belong to A, but this is 9 not belong to A. So this is false because 9 belong to A. 10 belong to B. In set B there is not element 10. So and this is 10 belong to B. So this is false. Okay. Next is fifth part 11 belong to A. In set A there is not element 11. So this is also false. Part number 6. 8 not belong to B. In set B there is not any element 8. So 8 not belong to B. 8 not belong to B. This is true. Okay. Because 8 not belong to B. Next is question number 5. Write the set whose elements are. These are the elements and we write these elements according to in set A, I, O, U. We write like this is a set A and we write this element in curly bracket A, E, I, O, U. Okay, this is the set. Same as it is like this is a set B. And 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. These are the element of set B. Like that this is any set and C. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 again, but repetition is not allowed. So we write 1 only one time. And next is 2. We already written 2. Next is 5. 5. Next is 7. Again 5. But repetition is not allowed. So we write only one time 5. And next is 9. This is the set and C. Okay. For next exercise, there are three methods for representing a set. First method is description method. Second method is roster or tabulation form. Third method is set builder form. Okay. First is description. Second is roster, and third is set builder form. Let me take an example. All natural number less than 7. We take an example. All natural number less than 5. We take this example. First is description form. What is description form of this example? We write as it is. Let any set A and all natural number less than 5. Okay, this is a description form. We put this complete statement in curly brackets, and this is a description form. Next is roster form. Roster form. In the roster form, we write all elements separated by commas. Like this is the set A. All natural number less than 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, only 4 elements less than 5. These are the natural number less than 5. We write all these elements separated by commas. This is a roster form or tabulation form. Next is third, set builder form. Set builder form. What is set builder form? If we write this set of this type A, X, such that X belong to N and X less than 5. If we write this in this form, then this is set builder form. In set A, all X belong to natural number. We take all X from natural number, and every X less than 5. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is description form. This is roster form, and this is set builder form. Okay. Next is finite set or infinite set. What is finite and what is infinite set? If there are some, if we count all elements of a set, then this set is finite, otherwise it is infinite. Let an example: 1, 2, 3, and 4. There are 4 elements. We count number of elements of this set, so this is a finite set. Finite set. If we write any set of this type, let any set be 1, 2, 3, 4, dash, dash, dash. This is infinite. Okay, this is infinite set because we don't count the all members of this set. Okay, and a cardinal number. Cardinal number of a set. What is the cardinal number of any set? Number of element. If we count all number of element, what is the cardinal number of set A? Then we write this n of A. That means cardinal number of A. There are total 4 elements, and cardinal number of set A equal to 4. If there is any set B, in this set A, B, C, D, E, F, then cardinal number of set B equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equal to 6. This is the cardinal number. Okay. After that, there are some notation for natural number. Natural number we take capital N. This is the notation of capital N is the notation of natural number. For full number, we take capital W. Integer we take capital Z or I. Okay. And for a real number, we take R, and for rational number we take Okay, these are some notation for a set. Next is empty or null set. What is empty or null set? If there is no any element in any set, then this set is empty or null set. For example, we represent empty set as okay, a set is empty set because there is no any element. Okay, and this is all. Phi is the notation of also empty set. Phi means any set in which no any element. But if we write a equal to of this type, this is not empty. This is not empty because in this set A there is one element that is 0. Okay, this is not empty and set. Okay, so phi not equal to phi equal to this, but phi not equal to this. Okay, because in this set there is one element 0. Next is after that null set or empty set. Next is the singleton set. What is singleton set? Singleton set. What is singleton set? If any set have only one member, that is singleton set. Let A is the set. If we write this is a singleton set. Next is pair set. If any set have two elements A and B, then this is a pair set. Okay, two elements, then this is a pair set. Next is equal set. Equal set. If all the members are same of two sets, then these two sets are equal. For example, set A have 1, 2, 3 and set B have 3, 1, 2. Then A set equal to B set. A equal to B because in set A 1, 2, 3 and in set B also 3, 1, 2, 1, 2 and 3. There is any order of this type 1, 2, 3 or 3, 1 and 2. So A and B equal set because cardinal number same and all the elements are also same. But equivalent set. Equivalent set. What is equivalent set? If cardinal number same but all members are not equal, then for example A have 1, 2, 3 and in set B have A, B and C. We know that in set A cardinal number of A 3 and cardinal number of B equal to 3. Cardinal number same but element are not same, so this is an equivalent set. Okay, equivalent set. After that, equivalent disjoint or overlapping. First is overlapping. Overlapping set. What is overlapping set? If there are some common element in two sets, then these two sets are overlapping. For example, in set A, 1, 2, 3, A, B and C. In set B, 3, 5, B, A and C. Okay, we say A and B both are overlapping because there is at least one element common. If there is at least one element common, then two sets are overlapping. So then in two set 2 is common, next A is common and next C is common. There are 3 elements common, so these two sets are an overlapping set. Next is disjoint set. Disjoint set. If in two sets there is not any element common, if there are 2 or 3 sets and there are not any element common, then two sets are disjoint. For example, in set A 1, 2, 3, 4 and in set B P, Q, R, S. There is not any element common, so we write A and B both are disjoint. Okay, if intersection of two sets equal to 0, then these two sets are disjoint set. Okay students, now I will take some questions from exercise 5b. These are some questions from exercise 5.2. Question number first, write in set builder form. Okay, this is a roster form. This is also roster form. We write this in set builder form. Student, in this set element 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8. And we say these are even number. These are even number less than 10, yeah, less than and equal to 8. So we write this in set builder form. Set A equal to x such that x belong to natural number. Okay, and x belong to natural number, and also write x is even, and we write x less than 10, or we also write this if not 10 then we write x less than and equal to 8. Okay, x belong to a natural number and x is even and less than equal to 8. Okay, less than equal to 8 means 2, 4, 6, 8. We take also 8. If we write less than 10, then not put the sign of equal. Okay, this is the set builder form. Next is for this set E equal to, we write set builder form of this set. There is 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 18, 20. Student, 4, there is not 5, not 7, and there is 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, and not 17, 18, 20. What is this? There is not 5, okay, there is not 7, okay, again there is not 11, not and 13. What is the mean of this? These are a composite number, because 5 is a prime number, 7 prime number, 11 prime number, 17 prime number, but prime number are not there. So these number are composite number. So we write x such that x belong to natural number and x is composite number, and starting from 4 and less than 52. So we write all composite number x greater than 3 and less than, because 1 is also prime, 2 is also prime, 3 is also prime. So we write all prime number, but only we write less than 53. All prime number less than 53, then all composite number less than 53, then 4, 6, because 1, 2 and 3, these are also prime number. Okay, next is question number 2. Write in roster form. Student, this is roster form and we write in set builder form, but this is set builder form. We write this question in a roster form. First is set A. X belong to whole number and less than 5. All whole number less than 5, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 also, because there is an equal sign. Then we take 5. If equal to, then we take that number. If not, then we don't take that number. Okay, this is roster form. Next for set D, roster form. X equal to 3p, p belong to full number, then p less than equal to 3. Okay, we take those x equal to 3p and p whole number. We take a whole number less than equal to 3. First we take p equal to 0, because 0 is whole number. If we take p equal to 0 and put here x equal to 3 into 0, that means 0. So we take x equal to 0, 0. Next we take p equal to 1, then x equal to 3p, that means x equal to 3 into 1, this equal to 3. X equal to 3, so we take x, next x is 3. If we take x equal to 2, because 2 is whole number, then this equal to x equal to 3 multiply 2, then x equal to 6, next is 6. If we take a 3, because equal sign, then we take a 3, 3 is 9. Okay, these are the element of set D and this is the roster form. Next is 7th question. G, x belong to n and satisfy this condition, then we set G equal to, then those x belong to natural number and satisfy this condition. So if we take in place of 1, x in place of x 1, then 3 into 1, 3 minus 2, only 1 and 1 less than 5. That is condition satisfied. So first we take x 1. If we take x equal to 2, x belong to n, that means 2 belong to natural number. 3 multiply to 6, 6 minus 2, 4 and 4 less than 5. This condition satisfied also 4. If we take, x equal to 2, we take x and 2. If x equal to 3, 3, 9, 9 minus 2, 7, but 7 not less than 5. Okay, then only we take 1 and 2, because if we take 1 and 2, then this condition satisfied. Next, in set Z, x belongs to an x square less than 16. We take those x belong to natural number and satisfy this condition. If we take 1, then 1 square 1 less than 16. Okay, then 1. Next is if we take 2 square 4 and 4 less than 16, then we take 2. If we take 3 square 9 also less than 16, then we take 3. If we take 4 square 16, but 16 equal to 16, 16 not less than 16. Okay, so we don't take 4. These are 3 elements of set Z. Next, in question number 3, find cardinal number. Student, first we find this set in roster form. After that we count number of elements, then we write a cardinal number in set A. X belong to integer and belong to between 2 and 7. Integer greater than 2, that is 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, then cardinal number of set A, that equal to 4. Next is the set of letters in word Malayalam. Okay, so we write any set A, then word of this letter Malayalam. First we take M, next is A, next is L, again A, but we take only one time A, so this A cancel. Next is Y, next is A, again repeat, but we take only one time. Next is L, L is already, next A already and M already. So cardinal number of set A 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 not equal to number of element of the letters in Malayalam. Okay, next moves to next question. Next question, question number 4. Are these set finite or infinite? First is the set of days in a week. Student, we know that the set of days in a week there are total 7 days. We count all elements, so this is a finite. Okay, if we count, then this is finite, otherwise infinite. The set of all real number, we don't count all real number of set, then this is infinite, because real number, there is so many real number. Next is question number 5, empty set or not. These are empty or not. First, set A, set of all prime number less than 2. Student, all prime number less than 2. Okay, we know that all prime number, 1 is not a prime number, not a composite number, 2 is smallest prime, but this set say set of all prime number less than 2. Less than 2, there is not any prime number less than 2, because 2 is a first prime number, so there is not element. 2 is prime number, but less than 2. Less than 2 means 1. 1 is not prime, not composite. Okay, so there is no any element, so this is an empty set. Okay, empty set. Next is in the third question, set C equal to set of months having 32 days. Student, there is no any month having 32 days. No. So this is also empty set. Okay. Next question is, which of the following singleton or not? Singleton means if any one element, or not means not one element. Set A. Set of all prime number less than 2. Same question. Set of all prime number less than 2. There is not any prime number less than 2. Not any prime number, that is an empty set, so there is not any one element, so this is a not singleton. Okay, not singleton set. Next set is C. X belong to natural number and belong to between 1 and 5, So 1 don't take because greater than 1, then 2, 3 and 4. There is 3 element, not 1 element. So in singleton set only 1 element, but there is 3 element. So this is not singleton. Okay. Students, next questions of this exercise I will take in a next video. Okay.